Hey witch, how are you doing? Good, good. What are you doing? Nothing good. That means that you can watch today's video. Today is red day again. Of course, Monday is red day, and I have a very romantic smoky eye for you. No cut crease, but that's okay. I do like this. So I'm gonna take some pictures and then I'm gonna go to bed. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching and I will see y'all in the next clip. Bye! Okay, so we're priming the eyes and blending it out. I didn't use my usual concealer that I use because I'm running out, so I mixed it in with my e.l.f. concealer, and we're just going to be using that until it's done. So the first shade that I'm going into is Wine from the Beauty Bay Fiery 2.0 palette. I'm taking that on an e.l.f. blending brush and packing that all over the lid. I also take that on the under eye since this is a pretty easy look, so I don't need to be doing too much. Now I just take some translucent powder on this Morphe M433 brush and blend out the edges of Wine. And now I'm taking Wood on a Morphe M506 brush and packing that and blending that out all over my lid. For the shimmer, I'm taking Firework, and this is like a fluffy brush. I could not find a flat brush for the life of me, but this is what I use to apply it all over the lid. I'm just lining my waterline and going back in with Wood and Wine to blend out my under eye. Ended up messing up my eyeliner, so I covered it up with the little shimmer pigment from Makeup A Murder, and you know, I somewhat got my lashes to stick, but I had to go back in with some more lash glue because it was not working out. Alright, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I'm going to leave all of the stuff that I used down below in the box. Like this video if you like this video. Comment down below what you think of it. Subscribe to the channel. And hit the little bell thingy thing. I don't know if it does anything, but if it does, do it anyways. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!